Right, as we head into the late night hours, it is calming down as we talked about that some of the nicer conditions outside are happening right now because the wind has settled down. We have clear skies though, and it's getting cold. Here is an update to that system we're watching for Friday. First and foremost, as we show you the timing and track, that hasn't changed too much with the track, but the timing, check this out. By the mid-morning hours, our western counties will begin seeing the onset of snow. So the morning commute, not too bad. But as we go into your afternoon, here's the midday time frame. Moving right through the Central Valley into northwest portions of Minnesota, still snowing on the Highway 200 corridor. This lasts into the mid-afternoon hours before slowly exiting. So the snow will move through relatively quickly. Gusty winds throughout with gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour possible. That means some travel trickery in spots. Here is where right now it looks like the best chance for 2 to 5 inches of snow will be. That'll be along Highway 200 and points north. There is some evidence now that the latest model runs that are just finishing up may shift this a bit to the north. We'll keep you apprised of that. Suffice it to say, some wintry travel conditions for your Friday night travels to the good old hockey game could have some challenges. A rapid drop off from Fargo and points south, but still a good shot at a couple of inches here with lower amounts farther south and in the way far north near the international border. Right now, it's cold outside, but the wind only 3 miles per hour. So 5 feels like 5. I guess we'll take it as we had wind chills below zero for much of the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures, though, bitter cold inside the black circle. This is the 0-degree line. Sub-zero Thief River, Grand Forks, and Langdon as well at -9. You're the big winner, the cold spot. The wind chills, well, it's still 5 to 10 below in many locations as we head into the overnight hours. See the batch of clouds out to the west. Now, radar's not picking up much from these, but this is a warm front and south winds are increasing out there. That's bringing warmer air up over the top of this cold, dense molasses that we have in place. And that's going to kick off by morning a couple of spotty areas of light snow showers. Not showing up well on the models here, but a flurry or two working their way through in the morning hours. Look at these temperatures warming by morning to 13 in Fargo and warming up north from near 9 below to near 0. Wind chilly, though, to start the day because those south winds will be 15 to 25 miles per hour and a few gusts will be higher than that. Midday temperatures climbing. And even though it looks like it'll be warm here, we're talking 35 to 40 degrees in the far south and 25 to 30 in the north. It will be a little cooler feeling than it is thanks to the wind out there. And any flurry activity should be gone by mid-morning. No real significant accumulation for your day tomorrow. 13 to start the day in Fargo, but wind chilly. Keep that in mind as you're heading off to the bus. 32, but it won't feel that warm because those winds will still be chugging along out of the south and southeast. Here's a look at your hometown forecast. The coolest weather up in the Langdon area and places north of the Devil's Lake area. First alert weather day for Friday. Morning snow lasting to mid-afternoon. That afternoon and evening drive will be most compromised with gusty winds, bringing some pretty ripping wind chills into your Saturday morning. Saturday night, that big parade is out there, and we hope you make it out. It will be cool. You want to get out those long johns, dig through for those, and get yourself a cup of hot chocolate and join the Valley News Live crew. We love to see your smiling faces out there, and I will be there for sure because anywhere there's candy, pretty much rest assured Hutch Johnson will not be far behind. Some really cold weather next week. I don't know if you saw the side notes down there at the bottom. 20 to 30 below wind chills, maybe a little colder, so pretty unpleasant.
December is starting off with a bang
Luckily
here.
the parade isn't those days.
Right, yes, see,
Silver
the cup is
lining.
half full.
Yep.